Zach, you fucking dumbass.
You want an apple? You want an apple?
Get it out of my face! Oh, I have a hair in my mouth.
That's a great apple.
Ow, what the fuck? You got me a little bit too. Oh, dude, look how we got all...
You suck dick at that.
Oh, so you're saying you suck dick? Huh? Saying you suck dick? You wanna say that to my face? You wanna say that to my...
I'm gonna have to redo my night cream.
Oh.
Did I hit you in the face? I'm sorry. Are you okay?
I think I'm bleeding.
Fuck you ass, fuck ass there.
Oh my god. You gotta own my brand new sweater. You gotta own my brand new sweater.
Get onto the couch? You wanna fuck me on the couch? If you're gonna fuck me, you should bring me to dinner first!
Did you say do it in you?
You said do it.
I fix my hair. I look fucking shawny.
Need more poser stuff.
Hey,
You Ratchet Poser.
bitch.
Hey, what the fuck?
Ratchet Poser.
No, that's very inappropriate.
Good play, guys.
Take your hands away.
One, Mississippi, two. Don't pull it. Don't pull it.
I don't think it is.
It's like 5 seconds. This is like 5 seconds. Let me get it off my nipple. Oh, God, it stuck.
Don't cry, Burger.
My neck full.
Fuck, dog. What was that, bro? What was that, bro? What, bro?
Hey, you're not letting me take off my shirt.
Because you were being a ratchet poser.
And just slippery Phillies.
Oh my god.
Wow, you've been touching your penis? No, I'm not touching
I think I hurt my neck.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna hurt your dick later.
Trey, you need to relax.
You need to relax. You said it's